I have taken half kg of badam. Soak it overnight in water. All badam has to immerse, and then slowly peel all the skins of badam. Unluckily, I have to peel the skin like this shown in the video. Otherwise, some badam, if we press itself, automatically the skin will come totally. This type of badam, the skin is like this. Hello, welcome back to Light Recipes. Today we are going to do Badam Halwa. It is a sweet recipe. I am doing this for this Diwali 2022. You can also try this recipe for this Diwali. It's a very simple and quick recipe. Everybody likes Badam. So come, let's go into the video and see how to make Badam Halwa, and I'll show you the ingredients what all needed. This is 500 grams of badam soaked in water and skin peeled. Ghee, saffron called as kungumappu, sugar 250 grams. Generally, I used to add half sugar only for all sweets. Depending upon sweet taste, you can add more sugar also. So now add these badam to a mixer jar. Depending upon your mixie size, you can add badam. No need to add water since already it is soaked in water. I have to grind in 2 slots. Don't grind very finely like ulund batter. Grind it coarsely. And it should not be too much rough also. So now I have grinded this badam in 2 slots. So in this vessel only I am going to make badam halwa. Ensure this vessel doesn't have any masala type of smell. On the stove, heat the kadai. The vessel which I am having badam halwa is very small to cook, so I am transferring this to a big kadai so that we can sort well. Adding badam to a kadai. Immediately add sugar also. Using a ladle, nicely sort it. Slowly the sugar will start melting. Till that you just mix it well. Otherwise the sugar will turn as a caramel. So slowly sort it well. Sorting is very important in this. There should not be small lumps of badam. So till that we have to mix it well. I have added very less amount of sugar only. If you want, you can add equal proportion to badam how much we have taken. It gives more taste. See how it is sugar is slowly melting. Now I am adding 50 ml of ghee. Don't add ghee in one shot itself. You have to add ghee in 3 to 4 shots. Slowly the ghee will melt and all the badam will absorb the ghee. There is no wedding without badam halwa. Some people even waste badam halwa without knowing almonds value. So if you're going to consume this badam halwa in a week, you can keep outside. Otherwise, if you're planning to keep it for long days, then refrigerate. And then if you refrigerate, automatically the sugar, ghee and all will froze. So at that time you can again reheat in micro oven or in a stove. It tastes very good. If there is going to be any celebration or festival, one day before itself you can prepare this badam halwa and store it. This preparation time is 30 minutes. If you have butter paper, you can keep 1 tablespoon of badam milk and cover it like how you see in wedding. Now still the badam is very dry. Again I am adding 50 ml of ghee. Mix it nicely. See, it doesn't stick on the vessel. Slowly it is getting cooked. The preparation time is 30 minutes so that the raw smell of badam goes. Badam is an expensive nut. And you add again for the final time I am adding again 50 ml of ghee. So I am adding some more ghee. See, just mix it well and badam halwa is ready. Badam halwa drinks lot of ghee. For badam halwa we no need to add cashew, raisins and all. Then only we will get the full flavor of badam. So now badam halwa is ready. See, now it has cooked. So just take little badam, like it should not stick, roll it and see, it should not be sticky. This is the right consistency. Now badam halwa is ready. Now you turn off the flame. Hope you people enjoyed the video. If you like the video, subscribe, like and comment it. So now badam halwa is ready. Rest it for some time till it gets cool. Now you can just garnish with saffron. Once it gets cool, you can transfer it to a glass bottle or any container. So if you need little watery to be the halwa, just add, when you grind, just add very less amount of water. Now totally it has cooled. I am transferring it to a glass bottle. Just ensure the glass bottle doesn't have any water droplets inside, otherwise it will get spoiled. For this half kg you will get 3 bottles of badam. I think 100% homemade badam halwas are really amazing and it has lot of nutritional benefits. Crazy badam halwas are ready.